Hi, welcome back. Today I'll be doing something really exciting. Something that I have been waiting for a long time to do. Planting mushrooms. I remember as a kid going to forest and picking mushrooms with my parents. And I really loved it because I love the smell of mushrooms and I also like eating them and cooking with them. So today I received my box. I ordered it online from Fungi Alley, and it's a wine cap mushroom spawn, 5-pound bag. So let me show you how it looks. So it cost me $22 plus shipping. I think pretty good price if I'm going to have these mushrooms forever in my yard. So here how it looks. Wine cap mushrooms. Supposedly these are one of the easiest mushrooms to grow on your property. So I'm going to test it out. If you ever grown these mushrooms, please share with me in the comments below any tips and advice that you have. This company also sent me instructions, and they're talking that I can plant it in hardwood wood chips, which I'm going to be doing. I recently just mulched my garden with wood chips, and I hope these mushrooms will like it. So let's go outside and plant it. One of the spots is under this grapevine over here. You can see right now there's only a few leaves, but pretty soon this whole area will be shaded, and that's what mushrooms like. They like shade and moisture. And right now after the rain there is plenty of moisture. So I hope that these mushrooms will like the spot. And I'm going to just sprinkle all over and kind of work it into the wood chips. And you can see here I have ramps growing. And ramps are also a woodland vegetable or a plant. And they like growing here. So I hope mushrooms will like this area as well. And I'm going to plant some more right under the grapes. I hope I'm doing this right. I'm going to plant some more behind my sorrel over here, next to the Brussels sprouts. And this area is also shaded by lilac. I hope these wood chips is enough for my mushrooms, but I think I'll need to add more in the fall. And you can see my pawpaw tree is growing well. Hopefully when it grows it will shade this area even more. And here it is. I finished all of the 5-pound bag, and I sprinkled some more between these strawberries over here. This area is on the northern side of my yard, so it is shaded most of the time. And I think mushrooms will be good here as well. So if you like mushrooms, consider planting some in your property, especially if you have a lot of mulched area on your yard. You can just plant your mushrooms directly in there. Thank you for watching.